So I'm up on top of the second location. And we're going straight across the river again. It's my turn and Thomas' turn.
You don't need to do it this one. Just hold the next one with the GoPro.
I got it. So we just came from across over there. Now this is the third destination. How was it?
It was fun.
Yep. Let's go! Look at that! This may be a workout because I'm working a sweat, but the breeze up here feels so nice. Yeah, it's very nice.
Good job, Thomas. Break! Break!
Should we break it?
Break! Break! Stop with him! Good job, love! Good job!
You made it! Yay!
They love gotta do the bridge. Oh,
Break!
hard. Okay, good. That's good.
That was a good one.
So I just finished crossing this monkey bridge, and look, this is our view. I believe this is our 6th destination now. It's scary, huh, King? Yeah, because I wobble.
Oh.
Oh, I didn't know. Huh? Yeah, because I was doing this.
No problem.
You say go this way and that way, come over there.
Yeah, I see the line. We're gonna go down here and then cross over there. So we gotta climb up here, and we got 2 more stops. Ooh, guys, recording.
Sit down. Ready. Ready.
I'm ready to go already. Look at this. So nice. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's getting higher. Hi, Thomas. Okay, we're going up.
Last one. Hey, we're going on our last one.
Alright, this is the last zip.
Ready?
Ready.
Down. High five!
High
five! High five! No, high five, Thomas! High five right here! Coming up.
So we're gonna head to the beach now.
Woo! We did it! You get it!
Alright, we're
Our last leg of the trip, the ride back to the office.
Yeah!
Yeah! Go, go! Where?
You guys, 30 for $30 per person, right?
Yeah. It was
You guys
a
can
really
do all
fun trip
that.
for 30 bucks.
Make sure you guys bring a GoPro.
Or a selfie stick
Yes.
with a strap on your wrist.
So Love just treated us all out to some of ice cream. Now we're heading back. It took us exactly 1 hour to finish zip lining. What's it called? Somphamit.
Somphamit Waterfall. Nó Lào tới, nó lúc tới chờ Lào, nó lên ở Cambodia. Somphamit to Mekong không kia, chặt lấy phun 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 mà đó. Okay, đến bỏ.
About 2:20 and we're back. So it's currently 3 o'clock and our next stop for today is Khonephapheng Waterfall. So we're just waiting for everyone to regroup and we're gonna take a shuttle to the waterfall. Thomas, don't break it. You don't know how to swing?
Push me.
Ah. Whee! Past that first swing is this view and more swings. There's also a walkway over there. So we're gonna take some stairs down, and there's like a sandy beach right here. There's a few other people down there, but we're gonna go check out the water. Thomas and I are taking this little path that's been made kind of rocky to get a better view of the waterfall. You have to be careful. Dang, Thomas is going. Thomas, let's go up there, Thomas. Okay, it's so nice. Oh. Wow, they're fishing. This is kind of scary. So we're gonna take the shuttle back because the heat is killing us and it's super hot. After a long day out, we're finally heading back, and it's I think another 2 hours before we get back